Welcome to Blue Star High Secondary School students. This is the class for 7th standard social science. We are going to see the next chapter in civics. Yes, our name of the lesson is Growing Up of Boys and Girls. Today we are going to see about the inequality position of women or girls. Most of our houses, girl babies were not treated equally. Comparing with boys and girls were treated low level. Elders are fixing some rules and regulations for girls to follow, but they were not fixing any rules and regulations for the boys. In earlier days, this position was very severe. The girls were not get any freedom. Okay. We find distinctions among genders, boys and girls in our society from a very young age itself. Boys are taught to be tough and play with cars and guns. Girls are taught to be soft and mild and play with dolls. Most societies value men and women differently. The work or role of women is considered insignificant. Housework or caregiving is considered to be work of woman only she does not receive any money for this work. Housework involved in many different tasks like washing, cleaning, cooking, sweeping, etc. In rural areas, women do much more well as outside the home. This is referred to as double burden. Equality is an important feature of our constitution. In reality, inequality still exists and government is keen to improve the situation. Anganwadis or child care centers are established in villages. Here some keywords for you. Identity, double burden, caregiving, devalued and domestic help. These are the keywords. Now we are going to see the definitions for the keyword. Yes. Identity. Identity is a sense of self-awareness of one is. Shall I say it again? Identity is a sense of self-awareness of who one is. Example, a person is a girl, sister and a musician. Double burden. Double burden literally means a doubt load. This term is commonly used to describe the woman's work situation as woman typically labor both inside the home and outside. Caregiving. Caregiving refers to a range of tasks related to looking after and nurturing. Besides physical tasks, they also involve a strong emotional aspect. Devalued. When some persons are not given due recognition for the task or job they have done, they feel devalued or considered persons as with a less value. Domestic help. Domestic help is either a woman, a girl, or a male who works in a household on paid remuneration, whether on daily rate or monthly rates. Yes. Now we are going to see about the valuing housework and lives of domestic workers. First, we are going to see valuing housework. Why is the work of man and woman not valued equally? In most societies, the work of man and woman is valued differently. Men work outside the house, women do all the household chores like cleaning, washing, cooking, caregiving, etc. These works are not considered real works and care not recognized as work. It is assumed that these came naturally to women. These do not have to be paid for. Society devalues this work, but the society is devalue this works. Lives of domestic workers. A lot of the work was done by the girls, their domestic helpers. Many homes, particularly in towns and cities, employ domestic workers are there. They do a lot of work sweeping and cleaning, washing clothes and dishes, cooking, looking after young children or the elderly. Most domestic workers are women. Sometimes even young boys or girls are employed to do this works. Wages are low as domestic work does not have much value. A domestic worker's day begins as early as 5 in the morning and ends as late as 12 at night. Next, we are going to see the Constitution say about discrimination. Our Constitution says that there should be no discrimination on the basis of gender, male or female. In reality, inequality between the sex exists. The government recognizes the burden of childcare and housework falls on women and girls. This naturally has an impact on the girls attending the school. It determines whether women work outside the house and their jobs and careers. Government has set up Anganwadis or childcare centers in villages. The government has passed laws that make it mandatory for organizations that have more than 30 women employees to provide the crèche facilities. The provision of crèches helps many women to take up employment outside the home. It also makes it possible for more girls to attend schools. Now we are going to see the 1 mark part for this lesson. You are going to get a PDF. Okay, yes, you just listen. What are the 1 marks we are going to see today? Is first part is choose the correct answers. The role of men and women are equally valued, not equally valued. Same status, none of this. Answer is not equally valued. Can I read the statement? The role of men and women are not equally valued. From which class did the girls and boys go to a separate school in Madhya Pradesh? Answer, class 6th onwards. What were girls given to play while the boys are given cars? Answer is dolls. Doing household work is work or not? Doing household work is a work or not? Options are yes, no, both A, B and none of this. Answer is yes. Who can take steps to bring gender equality? Constitution, the society, both and none of this. Answers is both. Now the second part of the 1 mark, that is fill in the blanks. Ramabai was given the title of Pandita because she could read and write. The message about women's right issues has been spread through street plays, songs and public meetings. Answer is street plays, public meetings. There are two answers. Okay. The child centers in villages are called Anganwadi. Answer is Anganwadi. Our constitution provides equality of genders. Our constitution provides equality of genders. Answer is equality. Most of the work done by women is devalued. Most of the work done by women is devalued. Now the last part of the 1 mark, true or false. Housework does not require physical and emotional work. Answer is false. Housework does not require physical and emotional work. Answer is false. Life of domestic worker is very difficult. Answer is true. Life of domestic worker is very difficult. Domestic workers get high wages. Answer false. Domestic workers get high wages. Answer is false. Men's work is valued more than the females. Men's work is valued more than the females' work. Answer is true. Women get equal wages for equal work as that of males. Women get equal wages for equal work as that of males. Answer is false. Shall we see the meanings again? Identity. Identity is a sense of self-awareness. Identity is a sense of self-awareness of who one is. Example, a person is a girl, sister and a musician. Double burden. Double burden literally means a double load. This term is commonly used to describe the woman's work situation as women typically labor both inside the home, housework and outside. Caregiving. Caregiving refers to a range of tasks related to looking after and nurturing. Besides physical tasks, they also involve a strong emotional aspect. Devalued. When some persons are not given due recognition for the task or job they have done, they feel devalued or considered persons with less value. Domestic help. Domestic help is either a woman, a girl, or a male who works in household on paid remuneration, whether on daily or monthly rates. These are the keywords part for you. In the next class, you are going to get the PDF part. In that PDF part, there are 2 marks, 1 marks, 3 marks and 5 marks for that. Okay. Yes. I hope all of you understood this. Then when you are going to start write the classwork, take a fresh page and write children. Thank you. Let us see in the next class.